Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add Code Scanner shortcut to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit and tap at Control Center, where at More Control section you can easily find Code Scanner shortcut. All you have to do in order to add it to the Control Center is tap at that plus sign next to shortcut's name, just like that. That moves it to included control section, which means that Code Scanner shortcut is already at your control center. You can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, Code Scanner shortcut appeared right here. You can tap on that and then you can scan some code. Also, you can easily change the order of control center shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that way. So I can position it at the very first place, and right here at control center it also changes the position. Also, in the same way, right from here, you can easily remove any shortcut from the control center. Just hit at that minus sign and then hit at remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.